Hey Solar Girls! One of the fun things to do in the fall is to go to a maze. Sometimes the mazes can be made out of hay, sometimes they're made out of corn stalks. They can be made of all kinds of things. And today I'm going to show you how to make your very own maze. So it's going to be like a fun game. Do you want to see my maze first? Watch this. Now I'm inside of my own maze. Crazy! Are you ready to make yours? I said, are you ready to make yours? All right, keep watching and I'm going to show you how I made this maze. Be careful, don't get lost. Hey Solar Girls, I'm going to show you how to make that cool maze. So all you need is cardstock or cardboard, scissors, and tape. So the first thing I'm going to do is fold my cardboard 3 times. So 1, 2, and 3. All right, I'm going to open it back up and I'm going to draw a line in those creases that I just made with my folds. Okay, now I'm going to take my scissors, make sure you hold them the right way, and I'm going to cut down those folds on my lines that I just made. Try to make your lines as straight as you can. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that little piece because I don't need it. And I see some of my lines aren't very straight, so I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to clean them up a little bit. Now I'm going to make cuts in each of those strips. So this is where they turn into smaller rectangle shapes. And they don't have to be perfect in size, they can be different sizes. I'm going to make some a little longer, some a little shorter. Okay, now we're going to make tabs, and you remember how to make tabs. You can draw a line halfway up your shape, then take your scissors and you're going to cut that little line you made. So you're only cutting halfway up your shape. Now you're going to fold each side opposite, so going the opposite different direction. So one forward, one backwards, where it looks like it's doing the splits. And now it will stand up on its own. So I'm going to take all of my little rectangles that I just made and do the same thing. I'm going to draw my line, cut that line halfway up my shape, and fold them opposite directions to make my tabs. Okay, now I have all of my tabs made. It's time to start creating my maze. So I'm going to take my second sheet of paper or cardboard, whatever you're using, and my tape. And remember to tear your tape. Don't use your scissors. You're going to pinch your tape at the top and turn your fingers in opposite directions to tear the tape. Now I'm going to place my tabs I just made around my paper in different spots to try to make a pathway. If any tape hangs off the edge, you can just tuck it under just like that. You may want to plan out your maze first by drawing a line around your paper of where you want to put your border. So your tabs are going to be like your walls of your maze. So you just take your pencil and you can draw it around to plan it out first if you would like. right, I got all of my tabs on my board. I do have some tape hanging over on the side. So I'm just going to take my scissors and I'm going to clean that up a little bit and cut that off, just right along the side of my paper. Okay, now I'm going to take a marker or a crayon and I'm going to mark my starting position and my ending. So where would your person start the maze? And I'm just going to put the word start right here. I'm going to draw it in a box. Okay, and they'll walk through the maze, and I'm going to put the finish line. I'm going to put it, let's see. I'm going to put it right here. So finish or end, whichever word you'd like to use. There we go. Now I have my maze. Now it's time to play. Okay, so I got a marble and a wooden ball to try them both out. You can use balls, or if you just want to plan it out with your fingers, they can try to get through the maze that way too. I'm going to try to roll the ball without falling off the sides. Oh, that ball got stuck a little bit. It's okay. Let's help it out. Oh, don't go off the side. Oh, let's try to get to the fin. Oh, no. So I'm going to start over, but I'm just going to start in the middle. That's okay. And try to get to the finish. Yay, I did it! Good luck on your maze, girls.